Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello! Hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Vikings Season 6, Episode 1. I'm so excited to be back! Maybe you don't know it, or maybe you know it, but I began this channel with reaction videos about the Vikings because it was the end of the Season 5. And I don't know, I had time to make reaction videos, and that was something that I was thinking for a long time. And with the end of Vikings of the Season 5, I wanted to do it, so I did it. It was with an old camera, so really it's not focused, you know, on my face, so you can't really see me. It was really something when I'm watching it again now. I'm like, really, people watch that? Why? I wouldn't watch it, but some of you did it. I'm gonna put the link of my playlist for Vikings if you want to check these videos. I have to say it also, it was really the first videos that I made, the first reaction videos that I made, so I was not really aware of the rules of fair use of a show, so that's why, you know, some of the videos are still available but maybe not in your country, so you have to use a VPN to locate you, you know, in another country so you can see it. But really, it's not worth it. I prefer to warn you, it's not worth it. If you can't watch it, just give up, because it's really not worth it, because really you can't really see me. The focus is, I don't know where, you know, on my couch, and I was not, you know, as confident that I am now with my English. I was really like, oh, people are gonna hate me, are gonna hate my accent, and I didn't talk a lot before and after the episode. During it, I didn't talk a lot neither, because yes, I was like, really, don't talk a lot, people are gonna hate your accent, they're gonna tell you to shut up on the comments. So you can see it with a VPN and all of that, but it's really not worth it. But I'm glad to be back right here for Vikings. Before beginning, I'm sorry for the lights, but believe it or not, it's too shiny today, you know, I have too much sun, so I had to close all of my blinds, so it's not the natural light, so that's why it's not the same light that usually, so I'm sorry if it's disturbing for you, but I think that you can see me right now. I think that it's working. I'm so glad to be back with Vikings. I love this show so much. This is one of the shows where I'm really invested into the characters. I'm really fully invested with all of this family, of course, with all of the brothers. I loved Ragnar and Lagertha so much, so when we lost Ragnar, I invested all of my love for Ragnar in all of his sons, so now I love all of them, even Ivar, you know, even him, you know, because I can understand him. You know, in shows, when we have a character who is doing bad stuff, a villain, you know, if I'm understanding him or her, if I can understand his or her reasons, I can't fully hate him. And right there, we are following Ivar since so long that we can understand him, we can understand his reasons. Even if I don't agree with him, even if I don't like what he is doing, because I'm understanding him, I can't fully hate him, and he's one of Ragnar's son, you know, I can't hate him. So that's why I was glad during the end of the last season that in fact they didn't kill him. The battles with the sons existed but didn't end with one of them being killed. Thank you for that, really, thank you for that, because I'm not prepared for that. I'm not ready for that. I know that one day it's gonna happen. I don't know which one is gonna die, but I know that one day we're gonna lose one of them, and I'm not prepared for that, really not. So I was glad about that end for the last season. And Bjorn is a king! My baby Bjorn is so cute. I know he's one of your baby also, but he's one of my baby also. We saw him, you know, when he was a child, and now he's the king, and he's so like Ragnar. Like I can see Ragnar in some of his attitudes, in some of his way of moving, of talking. Each time that he was on screen during the last season, I was like, okay, it's Ragnar, okay, it's Ragnar. And I think that I'm gonna be like that, of course, also during this season. I'm so glad that we're gonna be back with them. I watched the trailer for this season 6, but I didn't watch new trailers, you know, during the last weeks. I didn't watch these new trailers because I want to be surprised by a show when I'm watching it. Because I love it, I want to be surprised about it. I don't want to have almost all of the scenes, all of the pictures, all of the big lines and big events which are gonna happen before, you know, the episodes. If so, I'm not gonna be surprised during the episode, and I don't want that, not just because of the reaction videos, but also with all of the shows that I'm watching. I'm not doing that. Oh! I went to the Comic-Con Paris this year and I met the actor who is playing Floki. It was really a short meeting, like really you are just going, taking your picture and then leaving. You don't have really the time to talk with the actor, and I was so stressed that I had really the time to say just, I love what you are doing with Floki, you are doing an amazing job, and then that was done. But it was fun, it was really fun. I really don't like how I'm looking in this picture, so I'm not gonna show it like that with you, but you can see it like that. Like, this is me, this is Floki, that's it. You saw it. But it was funny because, you know, I'm using Floki during the intro of each one of my videos, so when I saw that it was at the Comic-Con, I was like, okay, I have to take a picture with him, really, I have to. I love him so much. But I don't know if we are gonna see him or not during this season, because I didn't make, you know, research about it, because I want to avoid spoilers. Because of that scene during the last season where we are seeing him, you know, into that cave, and all of that cave is really falling into him. But we saw that one of the brothers, I think it's Sube, is gonna search for him, you know, he's gonna go to search for him, so I don't know, I really don't know. But I have enough about, you know, that group searching for that miraculous land, you know. I appreciated at first because it was a philosophical and religious part, you know, of the show, and it was really exploring all of that question, and I loved it at first. And you know, with episodes I was like, I had enough, really, you are all dying, you are all like confronting each other and killing each other, that's it, that's all, just give up and go home, you know. But no, they didn't do it, so I hope that during this season they're gonna do it, they're gonna end all of that thing, that's enough. And I hope that we're gonna see Floki. I still have hope for that, I still have hope. I didn't say goodbye to the character, no, I can't. I think that if you know me, you know I rule with that. If I don't see the body, the person is not dead. That's it. So I didn't see him dying or dead, so for me he's not dead. I'm so excited also to see Lagertha. I love her so much. She's so brave, she suffered so much in her life, she deserved to be happy, finally happy. But you know, in the show, I mean in the time of the show, she's old now. For them she's old, so I don't know what we're gonna have with her during this season. I'm a little scared about that because, you know, we lost Judith during the last season, and it was really something that I didn't expect at all, and it was really like brutal, like we lost her and then it was finished, and no, I needed more time for her character, for saying goodbye to her character. It was, yes, really a surprise for me, and really I wanted more, you know, I wanted really to honor her. All of her journey was so interesting to follow, yes. So yes, I'm glad to be back with Vikings. I'm really in love with this show. I'm really in love with all of the brothers, and I know that we're gonna have Ivar finding a new ally for all of what he wants. He wants to conquer, you know, to come back, so he's gonna have a new ally for that. I don't know how it's gonna turn out for all of them. We'll see that. Again, I'm sorry for the lights. It's really disturbing for me to have my blinds totally closed, you know, when I'm filming. And it's really like 11 AM, so it's weird to have them closed like that. Okay, I'm gonna watch the 2 first episodes today. You're gonna have the first episode today, if I'm doing correctly my job. But you're gonna have the episode 2 tomorrow. You're gonna have to wait, but not me. I'm gonna see them today, the 2 of them. Okay, stop talking, and now let's go for this episode 1. I'm so excited. We're back. We're back in Kattegat. Oh yes, that's right. You're there, you. I forgot about her. Oh, she's gonna be a problem with Harold. Don't show me Ragnar, just right there. That battle was so hard. Art! Even that opening credit, oh, I miss it so much. Come on, you are doing the same in your just admit it. We're back. Oh, yes, the Silk Road. Hello, Eva. You are really far from I love him with long hair like that. You are so far from your arm, Ivar. Oh, it's Monk. I love when he's laughing like that, you know, when it's not with his evil laugh. Still, you're really going to where? Okay, we are there.
Tell one of my boys to find a quiet spot and get ready to go.
Okay.
And then maybe you should do it.
Okay, so you're using mercenaries.
Sure.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna be like that during all of this episode. I'm so glad to be back.
I told you that when I became king, my rule would be very different from that to Viper. Kattegat can only survive and grow prosperous through trade, not conquest. That is my belief. I am but your humble servant.
I love you! Yeah. Just his way of doing that, this is Ragnar. Come on.
These men collaborated willingly with Irish machine.
Oh, you're drunk, Vitzerk. And you're not feeling well, obviously. He's broken, you know, he's... Oof, Vitzerk? I'm worried about him now.
And what should I do with them, huh?
The awful responsibilities of kingship.
I love that she's his first counselor, you know.
They committed crimes against their own people.
Because
I
Ivar
know you
told
all think they
them.
deserve to die. But there's something far worse than death, far worse. I
Exile.
will banish them for life.
I'm proud of him.
Go fetch and say
Hi.
I just decided.
I love you so much, Bjorn. Okay. That's it. That's the mark. Ugh. Yes. Yes, killing you is doing you a favor. He totally get it. What? Shut the fuck up. You didn't say anything, but you shut the fuck up anyway. Who are you? You really think that you can threaten him with your look? You're no one. No, you're not. I'm sorry, I'm gonna chill like that during all of this episode. I'm so glad to be back with them. Don't go on the comments and don't tell me that, oh, you're like that, you're groupie. Yes, for this episode I'm gonna be like that. I'm not gonna be really analyzing what is happening and all of that. I'm too happy to be back. What now? It's your new ally who is gonna attack you because he doesn't know yet that he is your new ally. Allez, va! Nah. So we are on Ukraine. You were not searching for him? Yes. I said it, and for all of Ragnar's son. We saw that during the trailer. Okay. You're a cruel king. Show your face. I love all of that about the language, that they are taking the time to do that, they are not just speaking English. I have an issue. Okay, so it seems that I have some issues with my subtitles, with my English subtitles, and I can't find a version of the subtitles which are really working, so I'm gonna continue the episode without the subtitles. I'm sorry if it's disturbing for you. I think that for me it's gonna be okay, but if it's disturbing for you and if it's not working for you for understanding the show, I'm sorry for that. Don't threaten him like that.
Why do you travel alone now, without announcing yourself?
I think that he wanted to
I
meet
love my
you.
kingdom, to my brothers, and I have nothing to offer you, Prince Ulrich.
You know him.
Where are you going?
Nowhere. I have no plans.
I'm not sure
I
of
am
that.
simply...
It was your plan, Ivar. Come on, I'm not believing that I don't want.
I need my family.
I wish you well in your enterprise, my dear son. But in the future, you will have to do it without me.
Why won't you stay?
I've seen enough of war. I've lost so many. I don't want to be a public person anymore.
We can understand that, but please don't leave.
Just like the one Rekra and I lived in when we were first married there. We were all so happy.
Get this right. You want to retire and disappear. The most famous shield made in all of Scandinavia.
In the world.
She deserves and she wants to be happy to be
a simple farmer.
living her life in a normal way, in a calm way.
That is what I want to be. I no longer wish to be famous.
Like I said, she's... Thank you for that, Bjorn. She deserves it. She suffered so much, she deserves that.